Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm sort of taking you tracking in the snow, but instead we'll stalk a couple of red deer hinds. That's crazy. That's really crazy. Man, I'm like 50 feet away. They must be exhausted. You can see me, but you don't know what I am. Oh, there's no chance of moving closer now. No, she keeps watching. The snow is so loud to step on. It's all ice underneath. God, I hate these electric fences they've put up. This used to just be open expanse. You can't imagine how big these things are. They're huge. Yeah, they're going. It wasn't me that made that noise, it was someone in the village. There's a lot of shooting going on at the moment, so they're all quite frightened. But these things are so huge. Really, really big. They bark at you if you get too close. They go, eh. So cool. Well, I don't know how well you can hear me because I got my face mask on. But if you look behind me, this is all damage from blizzards and then this major ice rain, this freezing rain. It's caused a huge amount of damage. Today I'm actually scared about going into the forest because trees and branches continuously keep falling. You can hear them all the time. A couple of days ago, during the day after the big ice rain, there was a big squirrel battle. There was a big squirrel battle just outside my house, my trees. And there was maybe 10 red squirrels battling it out, running around. And every time they jumped on a branch, the whole thing would just crack and fall to the ground and the squirrel would fall out the tree. I wanted to film it, but they're just so fast, there's just no chance. Okay, we're going to try and see if we can get into the forest. I can't even see an entrance at the moment. Every entrance I would ordinarily use has been blocked by falling trees. Okay, we're following a game trail. You can see it winds its way along the top of this ridge and then the forest itself is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed that little trip out with me today. I am blessed to live where I do. I really am. And I hope today you took a little of this with you. Especially those of you who live in built up urban environments. Maybe it's a little reminder that there's another world outside the office, outside the city streets. And whenever you get the opportunity, you should go out there. Learn about yourself, learn about nature. It's really important because it's disappearing. All of it's disappearing. I can't imagine what the world will look like in 50 years. I really can't. If you get the opportunity, get out there. Okay. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and as always, be free.